Hello. This is Elaine Marie with OV Marie Creations, and I'm here with another quick design with me video. I think I'm going to be doing a lot of short design with me videos, just showing you what I do when I design stuff. Simple stuff, complicated stuff, whatever it may be. Most of it's going to be simple because this time during the fall, I just be like, ooh, I just want to make a whole bunch of bracelets and have cute charms on it and add some other stuff to it. I also get into a lot of hand-painted stuff, particularly my hand-painted earrings. It's kind of been on hold for a while because most of my orders lately have been beaded bracelets. And also getting back into necklaces because I did do a couple of orders with necklaces. So now I'm really just in the feel of everything. Okay, so enough talking. I'm going to go ahead and get to this video. Oh, by the way, if this is your first time here in my channel, welcome, and I hope that you will come by one more time to see me if you like this video, of course. If this is not your first time, welcome back, and I am glad we're able to kick it with each other once again. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and get into this video. I'm going to fast forward, so yeah, let's go. Oh, I've hit the thing, my bad. Let's go.
So many questions that I wanna ask, but I can find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave. What's your excuse to make me cry? My always find a small excuse to leave. What's your excuse to make me cry? My love was lost when you came and took it all.
Okay, so this here is the finished project. A cute little simple fall bracelet. The next video I'll probably do like a bracelet set, but this, I was just looking at these beads and I was looking at my beautiful little fall leaf charm here, and I said this is what I wanted to do. So let me put this on so you guys can see how lovely this is. I like my jewelry to kind of hang a little bit, you know, like that. So this is what it looks like. Isn't it cute? Of course, I do a nice little picture for you at the end there. But that is it, folks. That is all that I have for you for this one. Like I said, it's a very simple and quick design with me. And the next video that you'll probably get, I probably do. Oh, I have another bead haul for you guys. So that will probably be the next video. If not, it would be another design with me with some beads or probably a necklace. I'm not sure yet. Stay tuned for that. But anyway, this is all for this video. I'd like to thank you very, very much for stopping by in my video. I do appreciate the love and the support. Keep supporting your girl. Keep coming. Keep bringing up the OFI Glam Fam. I think that's what I'm going to call you guys. But keep coming over here so we can get our family up in large numbers and I can continue to make great content for you guys. So, please like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so you know whenever I post a video. And of course, keep a lookout for my shorts as well. And also my other social media platforms. I have a platform on Instagram, I have a page on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And I do have a Pinterest, but I haven't gotten to it yet, but give me a second, I will get back to that. But it is going to be under my name, Love of Anna Marie, and also OV Marie Creations for my shop. And also check out my website that I have below if you're interested in any jewelry pieces that I have. Most of the jewelry pieces, if I don't make it for myself, which I will pretty much tell you in the video if this is a design for me or it's just a design I came up with, but most of them will be on my website. So if you do want any of the pieces that I made, you can check out my website and I will leave that link in the description box below. Okay, and that's all I have for you guys. Until next time, peace.